Reagan Sanai Pop-Up and Playdate. My name is Renosha Hill, the CEO of Reagan Sanai Natural Hair Essentials. This is our co-owner, Reagan Sanai.
Hi.
Reagan Sanai is actually an all-natural and organic hair care line that's designed for children with skin sensitivities, eczema, and allergies. What you're going to get today here at the Pop-Up and Playdate, you're going to experience one, sisterhood, momhood, and what you're going to get is a basic wash day regimen to show you how to properly cleanse, deep condition, hot oil treatments, steam treatments, and things like that of creating a wash day regimen for your child. One thing I don't want our brand to do is just only provide you with a product. I actually want to provide you guys with a regimen so you know how to use the product. That's what we're lacking, is the education. So here at Reagan Sanai Pop-Up and Playdate, you're going to get that education, you're going to get that fun experience, and your kids are going to be able to have fun, and we're going to laugh it up and just enjoy ourselves. So feel free to ask any questions. I'm here for you guys. Give me a show of hands. How many moms here have issues with wash day? And what's your issue?
Tingling.
Detangling? We're definitely going to show mommy how to detangle your hair so you'll have no crying. Moisture. That's definitely important. We're going to teach you today how to properly retain moisture for your daughter's hair.
Like some curl definition for Jada's hair.
Curl definition. You're definitely going to learn that today. Okay, Mom, so come follow me over here to the kitchen. We are about to do the perfect wash day regimen for your child. You ready, Harper? Let's get started with the perfect wash day regimen. First, we're going to start off with applying our Tyler wash cap visor to make sure all water and shampoo will not get inside of the child's eyes. Next, we're going to part the child's hair in 4 sections. This is going to give us the ability to make sure that all product is evenly distributed, and it really helps us moms to not get overwhelmed and really focus on one section of your child's hair at a time. Next, we're going to start off with using our moisturizing black soap shampoo. While using this shampoo, you want to primarily focus on the child's scalp and really work the product inside of the child's hair using your fingers. Next, you want to apply our avocado and banana deep conditioner, again using those fingers. Your fingers will be your best detangling method. After you've applied the avocado and banana deep conditioner, you then want to apply our nourishing growth oil to do a hot oil treatment at the same time. This is really going to give that deep conditioner an extra boost, encourage hair growth, add sheen, and lots of shine to your child's hair. After you applied our avocado and banana deep conditioner and nourishing growth oil, you then will place the child under a hair steamer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is really going to help with allowing the products to penetrate inside the hair shaft and really encourage hair growth and get those curls popping. Okay, so next we are going to get into texture talk. And with texture talk, what we're doing is we have 4 different moms with children that have 4 different hair textures. And we're going to show you guys that Reagan Sanai Natural Hair Essentials not only work with just one particular hair texture, but it works great for all hair textures. Mom's now going to spray Aaliyah's hair with the warm water that we warmed up for the 30 seconds in the microwave. So you want to spray it on the hair, the ends, get it really saturated with water because water is your #1 moisturizer, so we want to get that hair as wet as possible right now. Make sure that you're really getting that product on the ends of the hair, the roots of the hair, and really work that product down. Twist it up and really allow it to hold on to that moisture. And you'll see that she has the shine and she has softness there. Do you guys think that we should take this to another city? What you think? Yeah!